Okay, first thing you're going to do is you notice that it's a division, so you have to multiply by the reciprocal. So this thing basically stays the same, this changes to multiply, and then this thing right here flips. Okay, but you also have to factor everything as well, so I'm going to do that right here. So it's going to be r minus 4. The r squared minus 5r plus 6 is going to be r minus 3 and r minus 2. Okay, some people factor that incorrectly. Some people, they use quadratic formula to figure out the solutions, but you have to do a minus of whatever you get. So some people got 3 and 2, which is right for the solutions, but you have to do r minus 3 and r minus 2, not plus, okay? Make sure you don't mess that up on the test. All right, and then this division is going to be a multiply, and we're going to factor out this bottom part right here. And that's going to be r minus 3 quantity squared, or just r minus 3 times r minus 3. Oh, shoot, I forgot a 2. We have 2 times r minus 3 here. Okay, r minus 3 is going to cancel here and here. And your final answer could either be r minus 4 over 2 times r minus 2, or some people distributed it. I don't really care because it's really basic math. But it's either r minus 4 over 2r minus 4 or what I have in the blue there. A lot of people did the purple. The next one is 3 over x minus 5 plus 6 over 3x minus 8. You do have to have common denominators for this. So if you didn't do that, like what some people did is they just added across. That's going to be wrong every time. That's not even in the ballpark, actually. I'm assuming that you weren't really paying attention at all in class if you did that, because nowhere did we ever go over something like that where you just add across. So if you did 9 over 4x minus 13, it's way wrong. Again, you need common denominators, just like if I was doing like 1/2 plus 2/3. You can't just add across. You have to do common denominators. Same thing with rational expressions. The easiest way to do common denominators in this case would be to multiply top and the bottom by the opposite denominator, okay? So this one, the x minus 5, I'm multiplying it by this denominator right here, okay? And in the same way, I'm going to do that over here. So this is going to be x minus 5 and x minus 5. Okay. Now, if you notice, we have common denominators now because it's 3x minus 8 times x minus 5 and 3x minus 8 times x minus 5. So the rest thing to do here is just to distribute the top part here. So it's going to be up a little bit, 9x minus 24 plus 6x minus 30. So I distributed the top part here. That and that. And then we're going to divide this by the denominator. And you do not have to expand this out. I do not. A lot of people did do it, which is awesome, but you do not have to grid that out and expand it. You can just leave it like that, factored. And you're going to be left with 15x minus 54 all over that same denominator. Okay. And that's the answer for this one.